ready to unlock your coding potential and become a command line champion. First things first, open your Ubuntu terminal. You can usually find this by searching in the Applications menu or using a keyboard shortcut. It looks like a black box. This is your gateway to running code. The terminal lets you interact with your operating system using text commands. Think of it as a direct line to control your computer. You'll utilize this interface to run your code. Navigate through your file system. Use the cd command followed by the path to where your code file is located. This changes the directory to where your source code files are stored. If you're working with compiled languages like C or Java, you'll need to compile your code first. This process translates your human-readable code into the machine-readable format that your computer understands. Common tools like compilers such as G++ are used. You will then use the compiled executable later. Once your code is compiled, or if you're using interpreted languages like Python, you can run your code, execute compiled programs with commands, and input the name of the executable file that was created during the compilation step. If you are using interpreted languages, then use the interpreter's command followed by the file name. Observe the output. Your code's results will be right there in the terminal window. This is where your program's output, any error messages, and other information will get displayed. Congratulations, you've successfully run code using the Ubuntu terminal. Master these commands, and you're well on your way to coding mastery. Don't forget to practice and experiment. Explore the power of the command line and build your own applications.